At the end, I was done.
So tired.
I regret getting 181 through 184.
Wait, why did you pick these?
I was done.
Wait, did you pick these because they were available or because you thought they were further away?
Last time. We did the same sites last year. I thought they were convenient. They were kind of like
far enough away, but yet close enough.
Yeah, so it kind of worked out.
Cindy's just shaking her head.
But when you're walking in, I was like,
I know.
Yeah, you get the car and condemn.
Did you just have to take the bus?
Thanks for being grateful. Thank
We
you.
took the shuttle, but we got on not this
Curry Village.
Curry Village.
We got jacked because the bus driver told us like the traffic was so bad she didn't think she could make a right-hand turn onto the Valley Road or whatever it was because everyone's trying to make a right going out.
Right when we crossed the street, the bus was right there.
Yeah, it's like she wouldn't even stop.
Well, you know, she could have been right. She was very helpful to the other people.
She was very nice.
Oh, the morning lady was like, she was a bus Nazi. Don't come, yeah, exactly. Don't come in the back door.
It's like, whoa, this is different.
So it was more like, we would appreciate if you used the front, but.
Hey, next time, can you use the front, please? Okay.
What's your dealio?
Pyro?
Pyro. Every single lane. Don't sit on that. There's some sort of issue.
Sit on what? You guys want to sit down?
Yeah, you guys want to sit down?
You guys did everything.
There's a whole log right there.